Traveling with just a carry-on is not just a choice, it's a game changer. Imagine breezing through the airport, skipping the baggage claim, and heading straight to your adventure. It's liberating. You save time, avoid baggage fees, and you can easily navigate public transport. Plus, you'll never have to worry about lost luggage again. Now, let's talk about choosing the right bag. A good carry-on should be lightweight, durable, and fit the airline size restrictions. Look for a bag with multiple compartments. This helps keep you organized. I personally love a backpack with a laptop sleeve. It's versatile and can double as a day pack when you're exploring. When it comes to packing, less is definitely more. Start by laying out your essentials. Think about versatile clothing that you can mix and match. A pair of neutral pants can go with several tops, and a lightweight jacket is perfect for layering. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. This saves space and reduces wrinkles. Packing cubes are also a lifesaver. They keep everything organized and make it easy to find what you need without unpacking everything. Now, let's dive into the must-have travel essentials. First up, documents. Always have your passport, travel insurance, and any necessary visas in an easily accessible pocket. I recommend a travel wallet that keeps everything in one place. Next, chargers and adapters. Europe uses different plug types, so a universal adapter is essential. Don't forget a portable charger. You don't want to be stuck with a dead phone while navigating a new city. And speaking of navigation, download offline maps before you leave. This way, you can find your way around without relying on data. Another essential is a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is key, especially when you're on the go. Many airports have refill stations, so you can fill up after security. Lastly, consider packing a small first aid kit. It doesn't have to be extensive, just some band-aids, pain relievers, and any personal medications. You'll thank yourself later if you need it. In summary, traveling with just a carry-on is all about freedom and efficiency. Choose the right bag, pack smart, and don't forget your essentials. With a little planning, you can make the most of your carry-on experience and enjoy every moment of your European adventure.
When it comes to traveling in Europe with just a carry-on, the key is smart clothing and outfit planning. Let's dive into the essentials of creating a capsule wardrobe that will keep you stylish and comfortable no matter the destination. First, let's talk about the capsule wardrobe basics. The idea is to choose versatile pieces that can mix and match easily. Start with a neutral color palette. Think blacks, whites, grays, and beiges. This allows you to create multiple outfits without overpacking. Aim for about 7 to 10 pieces, including tops, bottoms, and a dress or two. A classic white button-up shirt can be dressed up for a night out or worn casually during the day. Now let's get into clothing must-haves. A lightweight, packable jacket is essential. Look for one that's water-resistant and can easily be layered. A pair of well-fitted jeans or trousers is a must, but don't forget about comfort. Opt for breathable fabrics that allow for movement. A pair of leggings can double as loungewear or activewear, perfect for those long travel days or spontaneous hikes. Weather-appropriate layers are crucial, especially in Europe where the climate can change rapidly. A good rule of thumb is to layer. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, add a long-sleeve shirt or lightweight sweater, and finish with your jacket. This way, you can easily adjust to the temperature throughout the day. Scarves are also fantastic for adding warmth and style without taking up much space in your bag. Footwear can make or break your travel experience. Choose a pair of comfortable walking shoes that can handle cobblestone streets. Sneakers are great, but consider a stylish pair of slip-on shoes or ankle boots that can transition from day to night. If you have room, pack a pair of sandals for warmer days or lounging around your accommodations. Laundry tips are essential for carry-on travel. Look for quick dry fabrics that you can wash in the sink and hang to dry overnight. Bring a small travel-sized detergent or even laundry sheets, which take up less space. This way, you can refresh your clothes on the go and keep your wardrobe fresh without overpacking. Now, let's talk about space-saving hacks. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them can save a ton of space and reduce wrinkles. Use packing cubes to keep everything organized and compact. You can also stuff your shoes with socks or small items to maximize every inch of your carry-on. Don't forget to wear your bulkiest items on the plane. This not only saves space, but also keeps you warm during the flight. Finally, remember that less is more. Traveling light allows for more freedom and flexibility. You'll appreciate the ease of navigating train stations and airports without heavy luggage weighing you down. With a well-planned capsule wardrobe, you can enjoy your European adventure without the stress of overpacking. Embrace the journey and let your outfits reflect the beautiful places you'll explore. When it comes to traveling in Europe with just a carry-on, packing smart is essential. Let's dive into the must-have toiletries, tech essentials, and some clever hacks that will make your journey smoother. First up, toiletries. The key here is to stick to travel-size products. Look for brands that offer mini versions of your favorite items. For shampoo and conditioner, solid bars are a game changer. They're compact, spill-proof, and last a long time. Don't forget a solid soap bar, which can double as a body wash and face cleanser. For skincare, consider a multi-use moisturizer that can serve as both a face cream and a hand lotion. And remember, you can always decant liquids into smaller containers if you can't find travel sizes. Now let's talk tech. Your smartphone is your best friend while traveling. Make sure to download offline maps and any travel apps you might need before you leave. A power bank is crucial. Look for one that's lightweight and can charge your phone multiple times. If you're traveling across multiple countries, consider getting an eSIM or a portable Wi-Fi device. This way, you can stay connected without the hassle of swapping SIM cards. Health and safety are paramount, especially when traveling. Pack a small health kit with essentials: hand sanitizer, a few masks, and any medications you might need. A small first aid kit with band-aids and antiseptic wipes can also come in handy. Don't forget to include some pain relievers and allergy meds, just in case. Now let's move on to some smart extras. A reusable water bottle is a must. Many European cities have refill stations, so you can save money and reduce plastic waste. Look for a collapsible bottle that takes up minimal space when empty. A foldable tote bag is another great addition. It's perfect for those unexpected shopping trips or carrying extra items when you're out exploring. Organization is key to stress-free travel. Use packing cubes to keep your clothes and toiletries neatly separated. This not only saves space, but also makes it easy to find what you need without rummaging through your bag. Consider using a toiletry bag with a hook so you can hang it in the bathroom and save counter space. Another clever hack is to roll your clothes instead of folding them. This not only saves space, but also helps reduce wrinkles. And if you have any delicate items, place them in the middle of your rolled clothes for extra protection. Lastly, always keep your essentials, like your passport, wallet, and phone, easily accessible. A crossbody bag or a travel wallet that you can wear under your clothes is a great way to keep your valuables safe while still being able to grab them quickly. With these toiletries, tech essentials, and organization hacks, you'll be well prepared for your carry-on only adventure in Europe. Happy travels!